Hi guys, in this video I want to quickly look at subtotals and then explain how CountIF, the CountIF function, can sometimes be the better way to go instead of using subtotals. So first of all, subtotals. This list, I've sorted this column F, course attended, first of all because I want to know how many people in my team attended each of these courses. So rather than doing filters, which may be the first option people go for, which would work, but it would be very time consuming because I would have to put a filter on for each course type and then write the answer down. I'm going to use subtotals, so I'm clearing filters and I'm going on to subtotals, which is on the data tab on the right there, subtotals. Now unless you highlight the column, which I've not done, it will always come up with the first column, in this case section. I don't want section, I want course attended. I cannot do sum on course attended because it's text, so I'm going to select count and I want it on the course attended column. So I click OK to that and it gives me quickly the subtotals. I can collapse each of these bars down or click on the numbers in the top left corner and it will give me the subtotals. And if I want to remove subtotals, I just go back there and remove. Now the problem with subtotals is if you add extra lines at the bottom of this list, you would have to remove subtotals like I have just done and then resort that list and put the subtotals back on, which can be very time consuming. So I'm going to use the CountIF function to show you how easy that would be, and probably better I think than subtotals. So I'm going to highlight column F and I'm going to call that courses, and then I'm going to move each one of these over to the right. So I'm just using my control key as I'm moving those to copy them. I could have typed them out, of course. And then under each of these I'm going to use the CountIF function. CountIF, open the bracket. The range I've called courses, so I'm typing courses. The criteria is going to be each one of these cells. So first cell is J1, closing the bracket, clicking the tick, count 7. And it'll count 7 all the way across because there's 7 of each. However, watch this. If I then highlight, copy those and paste them down below, so there's now more than that, immediately the CountIF function picks up the additions because it's looking down that range. So I think it's a better option to create little tables like this to do CountIF and SumIF rather than using subtotals. And that's a quick example of the difference between subtotals and CountIF.